Welcome everyone to our Stemming Up 2023 info session. We are very excited to have you here and can't wait to share with you what the Stemming Up program has in store this year. Before we begin, I would like to invite our Hervolution founder, Doina, to share some words about the organization and our mission.
Hello, everyone. My name is Doina, and I am the founder and CEO of Hervolution. We are a charitable organization that was designed to create access in STEM fields for underserved communities. For over a decade now, we impacted over 4,000 youth in Ontario with access to STEM-based education through programs such as the STEMing Up. We will highlight some of our successes from the program later in this session. And would like to add how excited I am to be able to share with you how you too can benefit from a program such as this one. And now that we know about Hervolution and its mission, let's get started and learn more about our Stemming Up program. So what is the Stemming Up?
Glad you asked. Stemming Up is a program for BIPOC girls and gender non-conforming youth in Ontario, aged 13 to 17, who are interested in computer science but face multiple barriers accessing relative learning opportunities. So the purpose of this program is to remove these barriers and increase participants' chance of an education and career in tech. In collaboration with Canada's technology leading industry partners such as Shopify and Okta, a Stemming Up program aims to equip participants with the confidence, skills, professional portfolios, and networks to pursue fulfilling careers in the STEM industries. Once they have successfully completed their first year, participants have the option to return for a second year in the program and are increasingly challenged with real-world problems and solve through skills they develop in the program with the support of their mentors. So let's take a look at what a day in the life of a Stemming Up student looks like.
All right, so the program starts on July 31st and it ends on August 25th. It runs Monday through Friday and it has two major components, the coding session and product development. And during the coding session, students will learn JavaScript, GitHub, and other technology skills that can be implemented later on when building a project. And during product development sessions as a student, you will be working in a team and with coaches to brainstorm solutions to one of the challenges that we will present to you at the beginning of the program. The hackathon, which will take place during the last 2 days in the program, is where you put your knowledge and skills into practice. This hackathon will give you an opportunity to build a minimum viable product of your solution and pitch your end product to a panel of judges. This is so much fun for your team's chance to win scholarships of up to $1,000. It's important to note that we provide a $100 fee. We provide a up to $100 Wi-Fi subsidy to low-income applicants, and we also provide up to 40 volunteer hours upon request. And to give you a better understanding of how your time will be spent here, let's break it down for you. So from Monday through Thursday, there will be morning sessions with the opportunity to interact with guest speakers who will present about topics ranging from pitching, design, AI, and business and leadership skills. After the morning session, there's a short break before the coding sessions where your team's trainers will teach you beginner or advanced JavaScript. To ensure that you will be having enough time to work on your projects with your team, we allocated Monday and Friday afternoons for teamwork to help you work on your projects. Also, on Wednesday afternoons and Friday mornings, you will have the opportunity to meet with your coaches as a team so that they can help guide you and answer any questions you may have that will support you with the success of your project. Now, you may be wondering what projects you'll be working on. Well, I'm happy to share. Oh, yeah, Tusha.
So happy to share with you that the program challenges are a way for you to develop a solution towards one of the 17 SDGs, also known as Sustainable Development Goals. This is a great opportunity for you to not only learn new skills to benefit you with the career in STEM, but to also be a part of a societal issue to help make the world a better place. The Sustainable Development Goals, also known as global goals, were adopted by the United Nations in 2015 as a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that by 2030, all people enjoy peace and prosperity. The 17 SDGs are integrated, and they recognize that action in one area will affect outcomes in others, and that development must balance social, economic, and environmental sustainability. You and your team will be given plenty of time to pick any one of these 17 goals and come up with a product that will help achieve these goals. The project can be a web, mobile app, or a game. The opportunities are endless. We encourage you to use your creativity and skills that you learn in the program to expand on an innovative solution. We provide you with all the resources that you need to build a solution. Your coaches. Coaches will guide you in the design process and help you understand the different aspects of creating a successful solution. Don't be afraid to ask your coaches lots of questions. Don't be afraid to make mistakes and brainstorm solutions with your team. This is all a part of your learning process, and Stemming Up is here to help you towards achieving your goals. As mentioned before, the hackathon will take place over the last 2 days of the program. This will give you the opportunity to build an MVP, which is a minimum viable product, to present on demo day. The teams have a chance to win scholarships up to $1,000. Here are some past work examples from Stemming Up, and you can watch all of our pitches on our YouTube channel. This will help you understand what our past program participants have achieved and what is possible for you too.
So now that we talked about the Stemming Up program, let's take a look at what we expect from Stemming Up students. In order to fully benefit from this experience, be ready and open to learning new things. Be engaging and participative throughout the duration of the program. Have an interest in STEM and consider an education or career path in STEM. Of course, we always want everyone to be respectful to your peers and other members of Revolution. And last but not least, it's mandatory to have fun and explore your creativity. So what can the Stemming Up program do for you?
So with Stemming Up, you can enhance your skills in computer science and decision making, access mentorship in towards college applications and portfolios, and develop your portfolio of work by working on your project-based assignments with your team. You can also network with industry professionals in the STEM field, make meaningful connections with peers to build confidence, friendship, and learning momentum. And you can also learn more about partner opportunities such as the DEB degree program. Once you finish the Stemming Up program, it doesn't have to be the end of your learning at Revolution. There are many ways you can build your portfolio, all while supporting the amazing mandate of our organization, which is inspiring girls and gender nonconforming to embrace STEM careers. While you're at Revolution, you can be a part of any of Revolution's committees, such as Youth Committee, where you gain leadership skills through the board training, the Ambassador Committee, which will help you develop more confidence, and the Stemming Up Committee to lend your voice and make this program better and accessible to more students like you each year. You can become an ambassador for Revolution, where you can enhance your STEM skills and build your network in the industry that you're passionate about. You could become a summer coordinator for our programs where you get paid and work with our Revolution team. You can also access internships and opportunities that our partners offer, such as the DEB degree program that we mentioned earlier. So with access to these opportunities, you can also receive references for scholarships for work and school applications. You can earn volunteer hours and even have access to a mentor for professional development. The opportunities are endless.
So if this sounds like the program for you, then here's how you can join. You can visit the Revolution website to fill out the application form. Please note that the application deadline is June 30th, and you need to complete your application in full, which includes uploading a signed parent consent form that is part of the application. And in order to benefit from the program at no cost to you, you will need to demonstrate financial need. And with that, you must upload supporting financial information to your application. Some other things to keep in mind are, you please ensure that you fit the criteria as described in the application form and as we mentioned earlier. Include your phone number with your email. We do not accept school emails in the application as those sometimes bounce back and we're not able to communicate with you. Please complete the application in full. We cannot accept incomplete submissions. And please be able to, to know that you can commit and attend all classes and engage fully in program activities, as well as be sure to check your emails regularly, as correspondence about this program will be done via email. You do not want to miss important information and dates relevant to this program.
So we looked at what the Stemming Up program is and how it can help you build your STEM journey. Let's take a look at some success stories from this program. First up, we have Sana Sayed, our Stemming Up 2018 alumni. She registered for the program on the waitlist and she gained summer employment with RBC shortly after she finished the program. Sana was also accepted in the computer science program at Carleton University in Ottawa the year after. She applied and was accepted to the Dev Degree program and was given the opportunity to gain paid part-time experience while in school. Sana has currently accepted working at Shopify as a full-time production engineer.
And we also have Jada Chang, so our Stemming Up 2019 alumni. Jada attended the program in 2019 and is currently studying computer science at York University. She's a Canadian affiliate winner of the 2019 NCWIT Award for Aspirations in Computing, a Ted Rogers Scholarship recipient, and an Ontario Professionals Engineer Foundation for Education Scholarship recipient. Jada continued volunteer with Revolution as an ambassador after she finished her program in 2019 and as part of the Stemming Up committee as well. She went on to become the program coordinator for the Stemming Up in 2021. And we hired her in 2022 as our first curriculum designer for the Stemming Up program. Now, Jada has recently accepted an internship offer at Splunk as their incoming curriculum development. There are more success stories from this program, and please stay tuned on social media for more as we share that with you. And some of our students also won some amazing awards and events, and even participated in international hackathons. Some of our Stemming Up 2020 students won the National Canadian NCWIT Award for Aspiration in Computing Award. They won the award showcase. So this award showcases computing-related achievements from female, genderqueer, and non-binary students in grade 9 to 12. By winning this award, these 5 Stemming Up 2020 students demonstrated their success in computing-related activities, leadership, and tenacity in the face of barriers. These 5 Stemming Up alumni gain access to NCWIT community full of resources, as well as recognition in the affiliate award ceremony.
Some of our Stemming Up students went on to become national winners of the MetroHacks competition. The students developed the idea during the Stemming Up program, creating a website to support healthcare workers in the pandemic. They were able to continue the project in MetroHacks as the only Canadian team. The team was matched with career professionals provided by MetroHacks to code a GitHub repository for a functioning website. They became first place winners. So I was one of the Stemming Up students in this team, and the skills that I learned from the Stemming Up program were definitely put to use in this hackathon. Skills like teamwork, communication, design, and even coding were applied in this hackathon. Everything you learn in the Stemming Up program can be applied in your school and work.
We would like to conclude by saying a special thank you to our partners for helping make the Stemming Up program possible. We couldn't have done this without you, and we hope to continue inspiring girls and gender nonconforming youth to kickstart their journey in STEM.
So thank you for taking the time to listen, and we hope that this info session was very helpful in understanding Revolution and our mission. Stemming Up is here to help you build your confidence and acquire the skills that you need to build a successful STEM journey. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and we look forward to seeing you in the summer. Also, please don't forget to follow us on our social media platforms. We post about different opportunities there as well. And also feel free to send us an email at stemmingup@hervolution.org with any questions you may have about the program and application.